Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi chung tini nalene industry and commerce ni hoite kaisa ketal job notification faimani obongkha boni website norok nainamo chungkangke naimano boni o website o thangai faidi boni je ketal notification faimani job ni bagai abo chung nalene takhwk bwkhwk norok nugoimano omo boni hoite no advertisement rumani faidi chung nalene empanelment of the district level trainer obongkha post nibomo district level trainer in sector specific ODOP food processing sector. Application are invited from interested person for the district level trainer in food processing sector having following qualification with special focused on bakery products, dairy products, tea products, rice-based products and snacks and fruit processing. Takhwk bwkhwk obongkha boni je products obnoti borok district level trainer nangai tongo obongkha educational qualification or posting bagai naidi UG degree haike diploma in food processing technology haike food engineering haike ba food science or any related subject in food technology oboni bagai UG degree haike diploma in food processing technology oboronitoi qualification nangnai tai experience borok nayo minimum 2 years industrial experience desirable aboni pore the empanelment will be valid for a period of 1 year from the date of empanelment. The last date for the submission of application along with detailed biodata, copy of self-attested academic and experience document to be attached is till 5 p.m. 7th October 2021. Takhwk bwkhwk norok jodi interest tongkhangkiba nongni biodata logi talangi thangdi tai logi nongni je documents tongmani nongni academic experience certificate je nongni documents tongmani abono self attested khai talangdi last date inka 7th October 5 p.m. jora application may be submitted to food processing cell Directorate of Industries and Commerce o jaga norok thangai nongni je biodata thangai submit khaidi omongkha full address naidi Silpa Udyog Bhavan Khejur Bagan near Jinjar Hotel obongkha bongni official address norok bongno mail phan khaimano mail asked all the details in PDF takhwk bwkhwk nongni biodata tai documents rongno eksange PDF file slami phano borongno norok mail khaimano bongni mail address engkha PMFME Tripura SPMU@gmail.com takhwk bwkhwk obongkha bongni mail address kaisa jaga tongo naji no TA haike DA will be given in case of submission of application physically takhwk bwkhwk norno kuno TA haike DA rejaglak takhwk bwkhwk o jobni bagai to sngno Belai hambai norok jodi eligible tongkhangke ba apply khaidi Khwlwmkha